David Kafka here. Do have a great video for you to watch. Please enjoy it. Do you ever want to expand your investment portfolio? Caribbean Capital Group is pleased to announce an investment opportunity in the beautiful country of Belize. And it's on a superfood. That's right, a superfood. Agriculture. No matter who's politically in office, no matter what virus is out there, agriculture keeps growing and growing and growing. What is this superfood? It's chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? I sure do. FINCA Chocolate is a farm down in the south of Belize in Punta Gorda. You can invest in agriculture. You can invest in paradise. Thanks for watching. Please click the link in the description or reach out to me personally. Thank you.